Hey guys, this is Jeff from Adirondack Woodsman. I'm getting a little bit of work done after work today. We have all the beams up here. That one on the end was freshly milled. I've got two more over there. We've got to put two more further down. I am going to lock this one here in on both sides. That one I'm going to let sit for the next week or so while I'm gone, along with the other two that I put up. And I'm not going to put the bolts in. I'm going to wait because it is pretty green. I want to let it to dry a little bit before I end up putting those bolts in. So what we're going to do is lock this one in on both sides, and I'm going to move the ladders down, the scaffolding down, and then I'll hopefully have time to get the last two up today. But thanks for watching, guys. Oops. Okay, that beam's locked in. Okay, let's get this scaffolding moved now. Need a little bit of a shim under that one leg. Okay, that one looks good. Okay, let's get those brackets up. Actually, I have to put a top plate over there first. I've got the measurement, so let's go cut that up. See how much we have here. Oh yeah, this is plenty long enough. And get the exact dimension I wrote down over here. 130 3/4. A little bit of a cup there. I think I'm going to flip it over, turn it 180 degrees. No, I'll leave it like that. Go down and get my clamp. go measure the other side. This one I know is going to be 4 inches off the end of the beam, so we'll set that one first. So that one we can put in. I just got to measure the other one. Missing a couple of brackets. I got to find out where I put those. Get a quick reading with a laser here. See, my distance remains the same here. It should be a little bit less of a distance there. So we're going to have to see what that measurement is. Okay, so I'm losing a little bit of it. So we're going to go 126 here, and we'll measure this one more time.
When you're close to me, I'm feeling high when I'm low. I'm feeling high when I'm low. I'm feeling you.
Okay, let's see if we can slip this one in.
I'm broken when you're not around. I'm smoking words I'm screaming out.
Take that one out, set it down. I got come back over here, put this side in first.
Close to me.
Perfect. Didn't even have to wedge it. Let me try 126 and see if it fits.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? More when you're close, more when you're close, more when you're close, more when you're close, more when you're close to me.
Okay, we're in. The last cross section is in. Whew, feels good. Well, guys, about 2.5 days, maybe 2 days. First day I worked half a day. Today I worked half a day. But we got all of the cross pieces in. Almost all of them are locked in except for the 3 down in the end. I'm letting them, letting them dry a little bit more, but it actually is looking really nice. Very happy with the way it turned out. This is the other bay. I'll step away and give you a look from a distance. So let me know what you think, especially with, I use those Simpson accent connectors. They seem to work really nice and end up with a really nice finished look. This sawmill shed may double as a pavilion if we do a family reunion or something like that here. But yeah, overall I'm very pleased with the way things are coming out. Probably not going to have enough time to get all the rafters up before winter, but maybe we can get some cut up and get them to start drying. So anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you like this series, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Appreciate any comments that you guys might have, anything you would do differently. And I will see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone.